Step 1. Go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website. Visit the KDP website. Open your browser and go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website. Click on Sign Up. On the homepage, in the center of the screen, you'll see options to sign up or sign in if you already have an Amazon account. Click Sign Up to create a new account. Step 2. Log in or create an Amazon account. Sign into Amazon. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your login credentials on the right side of the screen under Sign In and click Continue. Create a new Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, on the right side, click Create your Amazon account under the Sign In section. A new screen will appear prompting you to enter your name, email address, and create a password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup, including two-step verification to SV if required. Step 3. Set up your KDP account details. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main KDP dashboard. 1. Complete the KDP Terms of Service Agreement. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Terms of Service checkbox. Read through it, then click to agree and continue. 2. KDP Dashboard Overview. Your dashboard found on the left side of the screen includes key sections. Bookshelf, to manage your books. Reports, to track sales and royalties. Community, a resource for connecting with other KDP authors. Account Settings, where you'll enter essential account details next. Step 4. Enter your account information. To fully activate your KDP account, you'll need to add personal and tax information. Access account settings on the left-hand menu. 1. Add your legal and tax information. In Account Settings, look for account information on the main screen. Here, fill out these fields. Country, region, select from the drop-down. Legal name. Enter your full name as it appears on your ID. Address. Complete your full residential address. Click Save once complete. 2. Submit tax information. Under Account Settings, locate tax information on the left side of the screen and click Complete Tax Information. Amazon will guide you through a tax interview process, including country of citizenship, treaty benefits if applicable. After completing the tax interview, KDP will generate a digital tax form, W-8 for non-U.S. residents or W-9 for U.S. residents, that Amazon keeps on file. Step 5. Set up payment information. Amazon issues royalties through direct deposit, so you will need to provide bank account information. 1. Find Payment Settings. In Account Settings, scroll down to locate Payment Settings on the left. 2. Enter your bank account details. Country. Choose the country where your bank account is held. Currency. Select the currency for receiving payments. Bank account information. Enter your account number, routing number, or SWIFT code as required. 3. Save and confirm. After inputting your bank details, click Save to ensure you receive payments on time. Step 6. Set up your author profile. Optional but recommended. Creating an Amazon author profile will help you connect with readers. Set this up on Amazon Author Central. 1. Go to Amazon Author Central. Visit Amazon Author Central and sign in using your Amazon KDP login credentials. 2. Build your profile. On the left side, navigate to Author page where you can add author bio, briefly introduce yourself, author photo, upload a high-quality image, your books, link any published books, which KDP automatically adds after you publish. Your author profile will appear on your Amazon book pages, enhancing your visibility.